Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily, the pound dollar this morning is going down very strong, as you can see. To me, it looks like impulsive down, three waves up. So I think this is potentially like an A, this is a B, and this is going to go down, probably take out the low of wave A for a C. Then we're going to potentially make another leg up because I think this is either an A or one. I think this ABC is going to be either a B or a two, and I think potentially it would go up for a three or a C. If it's a C, it would probably just go back up to these highs and then turn back down in a big way. If it's a three, it potentially could go up and make new highs, but we'll worry about that later on because this is the daily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a very significant turn. Definitely looks to me like one up, three down, one up. It's like almost like a WXY type pattern, probably for like a wave B. That means it probably is going to go down and take out these previous lows. So if it goes down and takes out those previous lows, and then makes like a double bottom, break a structure to the upside, like what happened here, that's what would turn me back into a buyer. But for now, you probably should try to look for pullback entries if you can to get short for the wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.